Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps from your Wix website. This might sound a tad complex, but fret not. It's actually straightforward and quite fast. Why clean up your Wix website? Before we dive in, it's important to remember that keeping your website streamlined and free of unused apps is crucial for website performance. Deleting unnecessary apps helps reduce page load time, improve user experience, and keep your website organized. Regularly cleaning up apps and components makes room for new features, keeping your site fresh and efficient. To start at the beginning, we'll focus first on the deletion of full-page apps. These include popular ones such as Wix stores, blog, or bookings. The first step is to navigate to your Wix editor, your website's control center, where you can manage all your content and apps. After you've successfully logged into your Wix editor, you'll notice a tab on the left side labeled My Business. Carefully locate this tab and click on it. Upon doing so, you will see a list of apps. Here, you need to select the app that you desire to delete. This could be the Wix Stores app, the blog app, or perhaps the Bookings app if you're running an online reservation service. If you plan on switching services or using a different app, consider backing up any important data before deleting the app. For example, with the Wix blog app, you might want to export your blog posts, or with Wix stores, ensure you have your product inventory saved. Next, look closely to find the More Actions icon, represented by 3 little dots, located next to the app you intend to delete. Click on this icon, and a drop-down list will appear. On that list, you should find the Delete App button. You need to click on it to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation dialog box may appear, where you would need to confirm your decision to finalize the deletion. When deleting apps, especially large ones like Wix stores or Wix bookings, be sure to check if there are any residual elements on your website that still reference or depend on the app. This could include embedded widgets or forms that are tied to the app's functionality. Next, we'll talk about the deletion of apps that are placed as elements on a page. Navigate to your Wix editor just like before, but this time, go to the specific page where the app element in question resides. Once you're on that page, simply click on the app element you want to delete. With the app selected, you will have 2 options to delete it. You can either click the delete icon, represented by a trash can, or you can simply press the delete key on your keyboard. This will outright delete the app element from your page. If you're not sure whether you want to permanently delete an app, you can also hide it temporarily. This allows you to test how your site looks and functions without the app, without fully committing to the deletion. Lastly, let's go through the process of deleting dashboard-only apps. Start by navigating to your website's dashboard. Look out for a tab in the left-hand menu labeled Apps. When you click on it, you will get an additional option, Manage Apps. Under this option, you will find a list of all the apps installed in your dashboard. Identify the app that you want to get rid of, and again, click on the 3-dotted More Actions icon located along the same row as the app name. A drop-down will appear, and you'll see the Delete button. Click on it, and the dashboard-only app will be deleted from your website. Remember, driving a perfect website requires cleaning up unused apps and components from time to time to make room for improvements. Regular maintenance helps optimize the speed and performance of your site, and makes it easier to manage your content. If you have multiple apps installed on your site, it might be worth periodically reviewing them to see if there are any you no longer need or that could be replaced with more efficient alternatives. That's all you need to know about deleting apps from your Wix website. As you can see, it's a simple matter of navigating through your Wix editor or dashboard and following the right steps. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.